In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel transaction on Sendwave. If you sent money and realize you need to stop the transfer, I'll show you how to request a cancellation directly from the app using Sendwave's support options. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and jot down the key details of the transfer, like the date, the amount sent, the recipient's name, and if you have it, the transaction reference number. These help support find your transfer quickly. Start by opening your Sendwave app. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your recent activity. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your usual options for sending money. What you want to look for is the help icon, which appears as a question mark. It's typically in a corner of the screen. Tap the question mark icon to open the help and support area. From here, you'll see options to contact the team. Choose chat with us if you prefer to type your request and share details within the app. This is great if you want a written record of the conversation. If the matter is urgent, you can also select the option to call. Both paths connect you with support. Pick whichever works best for you. When you reach an agent, clearly describe your request. You can type something like, "Hi, I'd like to cancel a transaction I just made. Here are the details." Then provide the transaction date, the amount sent, the recipient's name, and the reference number if it's available. Avoid sharing sensitive information like full card numbers or your password. Once you've entered the details, submit your message. Now, wait for a response. Keep the chat open or watch for a notification so you can reply quickly if they need additional confirmation. The support team may ask a couple of verification questions to protect your account, and then they'll let you know if the transfer can still be canceled. Keep in mind, cancellations are usually only possible if the money hasn't been delivered or picked up yet. If you prefer email or want to provide more documentation, you can also contact Sendwave's support team via the official support email listed in the app or on their website, including the same transaction details. That's it. Open the app, sign in, tap the question mark, chat or call support, clearly request a cancellation with your transaction details, submit, and wait for confirmation. Follow these steps and you'll know exactly how to request a cancellation on Sendwave.